Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Unbounce Partner Access, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Unbounce Partner Access, begin by visiting the Unbounce website. Log in to your Unbounce account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Integrations section in the main menu. Click on Integrations to access the Integrations page. Locate the Partner Access option on this page. Select Partner Access to proceed with the authentication process. You will see a prompt for your API key. If you don't have an API key, click on Create API Key. Follow the instructions to generate a new API key. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Return to the Partner Access section. Paste your API key into the designated field. Check to ensure that the key is entered correctly. Click on the Authenticate button. A confirmation message should appear if the authentication is successful. If there's an error, double-check your API key for any mistakes. Once authenticated, you can now access partner features. Explore the additional tools available through your Partner Access. Remember to keep your API key secure. You can log out of your account once finished. Your Unbounce Partner Access is now fully authenticated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.